Have you ever felt irrationally angry when someone is chewing loudly? It's not just you. There's actually a scientific reason behind it. This reaction is called misophonia, a condition where certain sounds, like chewing, pen clicking, or breathing, trigger an intense emotional response. But why? Scientists believe it's because your brain processes these sounds differently, linking them to a fight-or-flight response. Instead of ignoring the noise, your brain treats it as a threat, making you feel annoyed or even furious. So, if chewing sounds drive you crazy, don't worry. You're not alone, and it's all in the wiring of your brain. Do you have misophonia? Tell us in the comments. Like and subscribe for more weird science facts.